Fáilte arás go háte gohéil agus mar soldaíomh támuid ag obair le fáilte Ireland. Now, an bhí seo támuid ag caint faoi rud atá fear specialta altogether. It's only winter in Dublin. Do you know, Síomha, this is going to be my 4th winter in Dublin.
How are you going to celebrate?
Well, I'll tell you now exactly. So fan lum. And you can also celebrate with us. Dane planned the Híreann at visitdublin.com.
From November right through January, Dublin comes alive in a whole new way. Okay, so picture this. Dún Studio Corda, festive lights twinkling throughout the city, live gigs, comedy nights, some theatre, perhaps even a cocktail making class, le the chuid Corda, being on Cahar Lawn, le Fuineh agus le Spree.
Theatre, darling. I mean, is that what that's the way you'd be spending your winter?
Yeah, tá mé chun gachrid sophistically and of Sulla Haggans and Lanaf.
Look, féachar seo ceann na hachtrí atá ag Tarlúnt, right? You know the National Gallery?
Yeah.
My neighbours, right?
Yeah.
They're doing, famously, yoga sessions for beginners and experienced yogis. It's all happening. Relaxing, mindful yoga mornings in their education studios.
Well, I think bheadh sé sin really áisiúil ach go háir le linn a tréimhse sipadóireachta. You need some zen in your life.
Kate Von
You
Gage,
go to the National
Namaste.
Gallery for some yoga.
Yeah.
Makes complete sense, dumsa.
Beg my an.
Tá mis chun leimt trasna go Shráidgrafton agus go Bhuel's Cafe, right? So tá urgent stuff ar siúla Bhuel's. They're going to have a Nullag na Mán Christmas special, which is storytelling with afternoon tea. Are we sure Darren didn't organise that one?
Do you know what we could do, Síomha?
Go on.
Well, we just do a lot more amach le chéile. Like, we could start the National Gallery, a little bit of yoga na madna, in for the afternoon tea.
With the storytelling.
Love. And then Darren the Hiha, bit of theatre.
Theatre, darling.
Theatre, darling.
Dúne,
Oh my God, go hauling. Sign me up in ish, Lárach. Whether it's bringing in the new year you are, or it's the New Year's festival you're celebrating, wandering through the beautiful Christmas markets in Malachlia and soaking up the buzz in your favourite Dublin venue, then there's something for everyone.
Is fear specialta den bblina tá ann, and it's the perfect time to rediscover the city in a brand new light.
So plan your winter break at visitdublin.com.
Your one-stop shop for everything that's happening and all the spraga you need.
Gira in Malachlia. Hello, Corey agus fáilte arás go háte gohéil. Lumsa Louise.
Lumsa Darren.
Agus lumsa Síomha.
Now, Colleen, feachar and vertigo, and so you're like a little cute pair in your bonini.
Can I say something though?
Go on.
Looks better with a bump.
I mean, it looks very well gone and bumped. Come on.
The majority of our wearers of Bonnie are not going to be having bumps.
Are we, for the first time ever, not complimenting Síomha ní Rourke? Cad atá hééis starling an sin.
I know. She's run away with the compliments. We're so nice to her, and now she's just started tearing us down.
We're putting you back in your box.
Fuck my pregnant box.
I'm like, no, in le bheith ar áilta Colleen thought she'd go hauling.
Honest shit now. Do you know Killer Glaciers and Chocolate Scotter and Butcraila?
Go on.
She said you were the Ronan Keating of How to Gael.
Why did I say that again? I think I did, but I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know.
We were largely West Side because Boy Zone, and we were like, Ronan Keating was in Golden Boy Air Boy Zone. We were like, I was like, Jesus, Kev, my Ronan Keating, How to Gael. She goes, they're
yeah.
Well,
I don't even remember.
life is a roller coaster.
You could be.
Guys, I couldn't even tell you which one is Ronan Keating out of the lineup. Or which.
Good luck.
Yeah, and like
It's a compliment.
Yeah.
Is Ronan Keating? I was like,
Main
is he
guy.
in Boys on West Side? Which is which? I don't know. Anyway.
All the one.
Yeah,
all
all
the
the
one.
day, yeah,
I
all
shouldn't
the-
actually
yeah.
go done it because I have the lads in Stoll and Janie. Do you know what I must say about Shane Filan, lads? He's like Larry Leis Janie hasn't aged today.
Shane.
He looks
yeah,
as good as you did.
No, you're going to have to know who the fuck is
Sligo, Shane
Shane
Filan.
Shane's like
West Side. West
Shane.
Side.
Sorry, Sean
Yeah.
Zara shocked and he had to go bit of play West Side.
No,
Fair,
I
Fair.
just-
no
they're in a
comment.
rush. Come on.
Yeah,
You
we
get 'em with
need
Shane.
to. Sometimes I'm like, come on, girls, we need
Yeah,
to
back to the
heighten
bonnings.
up the eyebrows a small bit now. None of this carry on.
Flying
Higher
without
the brow,
wings.
higher the brow.
Well, do you know what? I'll blame with Boy Bandella, the two Johnnies.
Well,
No.
Sophia Murbior and Shoshin, Síomha, you were Rogan O'Huck. You didn't bother watching, did you? You had other priorities or Anisha, I heard.
Yeah. For me, brand wherever they can tell her. And I was like, I'm not switching over.
Sorry, God, me to Bradower.
But you couldn't go here. Brad, I'm a shearer. Brad, I'm a shearer.
Yeah, yeah.
She'll get to it eventually. It's
will.
been nearly a week.
Circle back.
It's been nearly
Yeah.
a week
Yeah.
to look at some stage.
But could have been eclipse. When eclipse deadly.
Yeah.
Dark, I think the clash in eclipse.
Yeah.
Yes.
Um,
Yes. Fair play to the lads anyway. Look, you know, Femer excited.
Yeah,
The-
Veemer. I thought we were on a giddy, but now sometimes Dana the edit's dirty, you know, and it's funny how it
Yeah.
happens because like we pre-recorded it and
and former refus go to aigean de fisrú Cain cinál smidú a bhí hÉireann.
Now,
They were like,
what?
what? They were like, with the eyeshadow was gawkward. They literally like breakdown.
Yeah.
Smidú to hÉireann.
The worst woman to ask, because the only makeup I know that goes well for me is the Hilden, because I know nothing may allergic in eye makeup beyond that.
Well, I thought it was a mega compliment because they're queen at the law sin vi tosa feg tafad se
Oh my God,
boshte
yes.
the lower fad.
Yeah,
So
fad.
maybe it was a bit of your natural dew from the day.
There you go. If you make fluch.
Vichy. No,
Right.
honey, she's shocked.
Yeah,
last
yeah,
minute.
She and eat tash like.
Yeah. She had about a 20-minute like turn around.
Yeah, and you know what? Actually, right behind the scenes, Ola Saladív, bhí mar éarann glór le Dara de Menace Ennis
Yes.
on Chaser éarann.
Yeah.
And like dús fi mar réiti go mális. No, sorry, réiti mar go mális an taimar fad.
Yeah.
But bhí sesin down a wad rowan, and then bhí mis agus tosa beidir or clig ní steady ná bhí na hína ella,
Yeah.
and then bhí there in like three or galet ní steady. Now, obviously, all above board. Margaret she a top
Yeah.
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 I can tell her, but Dora Dara de Menace Ennis, he was like, if you were my friends, I'd go mad at you right now. Are you? Okay, go Dana because of humor.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
I
I
had
put you
to-
on a hoop awesome.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, look, he'd have wanted to. He was fucking stuck up in the bar with us for long enough.
Yeah, well, do you know what? It's I actually thought on Heshin a chur in the Johnny's or in Illig Mariella the anim that you'd have if you were a chaser. Thought Rav Shin on a clishta mar Hesh.
Oh, yeah.
I enjoyed
yes.
that.
Yeah.
And I also thought Dara the Menace Ennis if you say ho clishta where far we were talking to him backstage and like wasn't he like a mine?
Well, it's
Obviously he
bad,
has to
actually.
be.
But bhí sé rálinn go bhfuil go raibh stad there again of le
Yeah.
chaser, you know, like
Yeah.
when it's just that they're fuck off
Can you imagine? I wonder, did he do any grinds?
Well, he was so funny. He was like, "It's a great job." Like, I don't know why I'm doing his accent because he doesn't talk like that. But he was saying to like his wife sometimes, you know, was like, "So you have a full day away filming? Like, are you really tired? Are you really exhausted?" And he's like, "They literally wheel me out for Den O'Maid, and I just sit there and answer quiz questions."
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, treated like royalty.
Yeah,
come on.
yeah. So, cause it's there's Frischford, you were asked did you say during the fiddler Lachot or something? What
No,
were you?
I said I was the
real deal.
the wheeler or the reeler dealer or something.
Which was
yeah.
Gama.
Yeah.
I guess they were to say, you said like the vixen or something.
You were
Did
good as
Shiva
well,
the Diva.
yeah.
I'll have to watch it back.
Yeah.
I can't make
Come back
her
to us now.
Shigwai.
We'll rediscuss. We'll pick up this conversation Tatan Showing when Shiva
Yeah.
decides to watch the fucking thing.
Yeah. Well, do you know what? Fair play anyway to the Johnnies with the ball. And sure, Shiva, tell us how you really feel anyway.
Yeah.
We know a Machan show.
No, I like
know.
this. I like this.
I think
Throw it
it's-
out there. Leave it all on the pitch.
Throw it all out.
Now, I actually have a bone to pick with Sheaf New York because my Explore page has just turned into Sheaf New York's Explore page. Everything I'm being fed. I'm like, why am I seeing this? Because it's been liked by Sheaf New York. A lot of videos about how to raise a child bilingually. I'm like getting a lot of French and
sorry.
Spanish women who are like, and then, you know, they're like live.
No,
like,
Iraq doing Posh Fiction. Was it the Italian girl on the balcony?
Yes,
I
I'm
got
getting
it too.
all of this. I'm like, I've no interest in any of this. I'm like, why is this being fed to me? And it's like Shiva's little icon on a heart. I'm like, I'm
Yeah,
gonna have
but my likes don't dictate your algorithm. That's Mariella Rutherford that you have interacted with.
no. Well, and
Well,
another
honestly,
thing
so
I'm getting,
stuff
another
to
thing
come
I'm
on.
getting
You
fed.
might have Spacia Gersi Tongan.
No interest in that. Going to carry on now. And another thing.
Sorry, someone from Meta, can you let us know?
Let us
I have
know.
nothing to
That's
do
true,
with your
yeah.
algorithm. If I had scrolled on your phone, Béarla.
No, I think it's because I interact with a lot of stuff that you've interacted with, and then it's feeding me this stuff. I'm like, why is this? Then Rodella, I'm getting a lot. I had to Google this last night because I was like, what is this? Is a perineal massage? Is it or
Perineum.
Is this the
perineal
face?
massage?
No, it's
No.
the.
Oh,
no,
look,
sorry,
we
'cause I'm
girl-
getting a lot of
we
face
discussed
massages.
this a few weeks ago. It's your gooch.
Oh, it's your gooch.
I had to Google it there last night because I was like, this carry on.
Bhí
I'm getting
flavor
dead
John,
now.
not Craila like Kaiki
I bet
Shahin.
an hour though.
Fee, if you were to play Blotned, Agus, it was Corla Hug Blotned, Coffee, they're making a rock this.
Yeah.
Ah, right.
yeah.
Well, anyway, I obviously zoned
It was
out
a
for that part.
long Kaiki show.
He's so in.
Cabas grab to Glart Fween, you know, massaging. This keeps coming up in mine all the time, where they put their hands into your mouth and massage your jaw from the inside out.
that sounds horrific.
It's meant to be really good for like your face. It's like a
You've done enough
relaxation.
of the
Stick to
face
the
stuff
sperm.
now.
Stick to the
It's
sperm.
It's saying,
sperm.
just leave it
Sperm
away. Just there's nothing
Yeah.
wrong with now cleanse and a moisturise. Do you know what I mean?
I know.
Just
I
leave
know.
it at that.
Even at that, I struggle. So
So it's
listen.
what? Liggins do they're going to get a lava curse shock at the Vale.
I know. Orna,
Yuck.
Béidir, Dane, Tider, shouldn't reach the anim of it. It's like it's something. It's not perineum because that's obviously your gooch, but it's something else. And they put their fingers in like this. Ross Purcell gets done all the time. Makes your cheekbones pure pointy. Do you know? Like they go in from the inside out and they massage you in like you're. If you do be grinding,
I'm editing a penis into that.
a which?
Buckle.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Béarla.
Béarla, don't know. That's what comes up in my.
No.
That and feckin' sure AD.
I know. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Guy, come
Well,
out thrifting. Can I tell you? I thrifted these runners. Actually, don't actually know if I like them.
It was Malamede. I was admiring them.
I think they make
But I
my
suppose she
feet
thrifted
look
them. I thought
massive.
she'd brand new.
Yeah, they. I don't know whoever bought them. Obviously, didn't like them. Do you know how much I paid for them?
Go on.
$30,
Whoa.
which is about €27, €26.
No, it's Malamede. It's kind
Yeah.
of Gola, that brand.
Yeah, no, it's Tiger. It's like a Japanese.
Yeah, it's Malamede.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I don't know. Apparently, all the girlos do be wearing them. They're 100 and something euro new, but I don't know. I haven't decided. Anyway, it was good value, so I'll
Thanks for
keep
the God,
wearing them for
yourself
a
and all
while.
the girlos, so we'll be
I know.
top of the trends.
Please God, please God.
Well, it's even lum on shawl.
Tá méid tusnú a cahabh seo just go on, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go.
Listen, Te
I
Choli.
know. Tá actually really, tá really brought it. Do you know what it is, girls? I've even saying it to me all year. Apparently, just a gobar gach illa law than tachtin and then going out until ridiculous o'clock and getting up and doing 12-hour days does actually catch up with you. I know, shocker.
What?
The candle burns,
and
baby.
I'm in
Yes.
the horrors. Bhí mé
Yeah.
salabig under seachtainna ar fad, like literally would get out for an hour chunra dagan all in and then like just be so shagged for dul her nationally nabig and like come air painkillers ufásach le codeine unta so I really
Love.
brought it just really run down so
Well, come out.
yeah well girl it's the
about
first
team?
time I left the bed since Seo Dáil and so an chéidir agus an tig ó modern day hína
It's an interesting outfit, though, isn't it?
it is an
It's shawl, it's
desperate.
bonine, it's
Yeah.
Adidas, and it's Gola.
Yeah,
I
and
just, it's
You see, because I tis
bit
from
of
Caint
everything.
Fog,
Oh,
will
go
she have na breached shin because she'll never get caught dead in a pair of tights now because we're still so traumatized from the Fred again tight gate.
Never I'm
Never.
throwing out
Do you know
every
what?
single
First pair of tights are
briefing
in there shaft and face na closh girls. To talk about being triggered, I was blow looking
No,
at myself
this
in the mirror
is
and I
so
said,
cute.
I'm really icked by tights.
icked.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah,
I don't know
it's
Caint
so-
No,
Fog.
been tights and sequins ick. I
It's
can't.
so-
I can't
I've-
go near a sequin bottom of any sort.
They're
Long,
gone.
short dress.
They're gone.
You
I've
name
got
it.
to actually grab an image awards or shoe.
Yes.
And we got Gilla dinner in a sequins dress. I was like,
Yeah.
are sequins back?
No.
no one told. No, I don't think so either.
Yeah,
But Tam than Blee and you
not if you love the environment. Sequins are not good for the. They're actually
Yeah.
chunig me post.
Adidas polyester is way better.
No, but
these are
well,
just
thrifted broga are better.
Yeah.
But everything's probably shit like.
No, but well, sequins are like literally
worst.
The
You're wearing
worst. Like,
plastic.
and you play, and you maybe get one wear a year at like.
Yeah.
And Tam should them playing cahan to sequins or five better shay shachten, and then they're gone again. You know.
But like a beautiful hand embellished. I would have loved, but no, very triggered now if we lower Nora. But
We'll get over ourselves.
I suppose we'll drive it on.
God, we're
Lads.
all just in Norman the Hamlet.
I know, we are.
Anyway.
Táid de humor a wadní sfar hail ar Patreon.
Yes.
Flamer kind of update more meal to gog on our Patreon and Shock Kasha. So go on over and have a listen to that. We'll leave a little clippy in a jaw.
Tamisha Arasho NYC, and I'm going to.
Ah yes, the famous song about New York. And there's so many options. You could have gone in New York, or you could have went
Welcome to New York.
Yes, or I want to be, and you just made up that shite.
Shiva, there's an owl bite in your bark these days. There's a bite in her bark. There is.
She's cranky.
Anava agus ná Dane Dermot Gohfuil with full video coma. You can find us wherever you do your bits, and also if you want to email us howtogoil@gmail.com.
If you want to compliment mine or Louise's makeup, Béarla.
Yeah.
There you go. I actually have to say the camera angles and the two Johnnies I thought were horrendous. I thought I looked very jowly now at various points of me singing that song, and I also thought like I had this little like I was like, do I have a little?
Girl, people would pay for that chin.
Yeah, no, but I have like a little flippy. Anyway, look, it did nothing for me.
Is why
I get
I
it.
don't
Janice
like
Giles,
watching
Nelly
myself
Neck. Yeah. No.
The shocked and news. You got in the best state of mind of your life.
Personally, I thought we looked fab. Anyway,
Yeah, nice impression, actually.
No,
You
we
were very
did,
nice
we
on
did,
that,
we did.
that's the
But
list,
I did
yeah.
notice someone commented, lads, under the picture. Did you know what I'm going to say?
Golf rocked for.
Martin dressed as lamb. I was like,
If you make any raggart, I had a comment written out saying, "Oh, Shuker, I forgot to wear my ugly purple bandana," because that's what he was wearing in his profile picture. But
well, do you know what I was
held
going to
back.
say? He wasn't far off, and I'll tell you what. And sorry, Shiva, this is really going to trigger you bad. My waistcoat is lambskin. was lamb. Actually,
So you were mutton dressed
no,
as
I was
lamb.
fully wearing it. Voltaire and Sadie gets the name of the brand. Actually, it's lamb.
Oh my
It's
god.
really, or is it calf? It could be calf leather. Hang on, sure, a lamb couldn't turn into leather, could it? Calf. It's calf
my
leather.
God, yeah.
It is calf leather. Sorry.
Yeah, no, yeah.
No
so
lamb
you were-
dressed as a
mutton
calf.
dressed as calf. It should have been mutton actually dressed as calf.
A cap shaker of one.
Yeah.
Mutton dressed as calf. Anyway, there you go. That's also had to be hung up, lads. I'm over that as well. Fuck it, like all my clothes are giving me awful. I hate them.
Chonaic me-
Does anyone else go through phase like that where you hate?
Yeah, no, Kate
All the
Fingate,
clothes
agus
you own.
actually chonaic me chuir den éigean suas scéal Sammy Dougherty, other voices and their seachtainna seo tá dridum and bhí siad rá, oh my god, time to get ready for the biggest fashion show of the year, Other Voices, because everybody is going to be going dressed incredibly vibey. I'm predicting there's going to be jerseys coming out. Yeah, Palador.
This is lock up your sequins.
Yeah,
They're
no,
gone.
no.
I've had to fold them inside out and like fold them with the lining so I can't see, because you know the way
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
Hiomra the wardrobes are exposed, like I can
I
see my
thought,
clothes.
yeah, I threw out the skirt, but I did. But it'll be wall to wall Palador now, and a lot of that beamish, you know, that beamish jumper that's been out let Denny come on.
Oh no. Yes, I know.
It's
It's
kind of a
Palador
rip off.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then it'll be scarves. Everybody's going to be in a scarf. It'll
I
be.
think we're scarf or a nuri. Come on, row.
Yeah, it's big. That's a big thing. The Other Voices scarf, Gaffney, and that's how you like. I don't know. Anyway, so look, it's all ahead of us. It's
We'll
all ahead of
report
us.
back to you anyway.
Yeah.
But anyway, on tachtain seo Tantálinn go bhfuil í speisialtalinn agus somewhat delighted leir leis. This fella is actually very entertaining, I will say. Being Shake Taffet podcast in Bauer Gomininic. He's a comedian, he's an author, he's a columnist and a broadcaster and a Kirkiach. Woo! Delighted. Fáilte Olvor a chur river í speisialta na seachtainna seo. You're so welcome. Let me get this all correct. Comedian, author, podcaster, writer of
Portman.
gallivanting with words. Colm O'Regan, fáilte anseo. You're very welcome.
The key word is self-employed. So
Yeah.
that was, you
Come
know.
here. Thank you for joining us. And Cogorda ar an Lara Nua.
Yeah, tá sé out in the big bad world. Le
Yeah.
haig mísa no go. So yeah, tá
What
an-
is in Sconril?
yeah, because Taresh a scrífa, you're like, oh, you really want to publish this? Like
Yeah.
there's that bit with you have the book and you've held on to it and then you have to let go and let other people read it, and you know what other people are like. You might have opinions. So, but I got a proof copy of it maybe me man 4, and I read it, and the relief of it not being shite
Yeah.
was huge. I don't know whether like top authors would say this or not, but there is a relief when you go, because you're right in the weeds with looking at edits and all that, and then when you read it as a whole for the first time, since it was magically in your head, it's just a relief that it's not shite.
Yeah. Well, it's all about words. I feel like gallivanting with words, like what podcaster doesn't do that and think that they're great. You know, you're géisteach, you're glairt and tower fad. What inspired you to write it? What was the inspiration?
On pandemic.
Yeah.
The tweet on Time Magazine, the most American of things,
Yeah.
and they had a tweet that said, "Has the pandemic bollocksed up your sleep cycle?" And
How do they spell bollocks?
bollocksed, Bollixed, one of the national approved spellings of
Right.
bollocks.
Yeah.
And I just saw it, and the way I describe it is when you see a word like bollocksed being used in the most Harvard of places,
Yeah.
it looks like you're watching the US Masters and there's somebody not in a county GA jersey but in your parish's club jersey,
Okay,
like, you know,
okay.
just stuck there in the middle.
Yeah.
And it kind of, I always, when I see words, like, where did that come from? And it was just, what was the journey of bollocksed? Because it's an English kind of word, so it's ball, but ock. So if you ever have an ock at the end of a word, it means little. Hillock.
Yeah.
Ruddock is a little red-haired fella or whatever. So bollock is a small ball,
All right.
you know, for most people.
Yeah.
Oh,
And,
God, I'm very impressed with this.
Yeah.
Well, listen,
dissection.
if you put etymology,
Yeah.
you can onto anything. Then you can use any swear word you want,
Yeah.
really, because it's science. Then
Sorry,
you
would
know.
haddock be a small field?
Oh, look at this.
Haddock. Sorry, haddock's a fish.
Tá gael gael walkie. It's her
Yeah.
Béarla is not great.
Yeah. Oh, so I think with uck at the end is a small in.
It's a diminutive. It's one of the diminutives that you can
Okay.
have. Yeah. So
In Béarla, yeah.
Yeah. So, but then I went across to to America, came to Ireland around the same time. But actually the first time you see it in print is in Joyce. There's ballocks and bollocks. There's a couple of different spellings.
Yeah.
But that's the gallivanting. Like you look up a word and you see where it's used and where it's first used. And the first Irishman to write it wrote it in relation to shipping. Like there's a bollock block, like which sounds awful.
Yeah.
But it's some sort of thing on a ship as part of a crane.
Okay.
Don't ask me to draw one, right? But so that's it. It's the inspiration is that when you go looking at this thing that's in plain sight, and there's a little bit of history around it, and I love that. You look at place names. So I'm sure you're always looking at.
Yeah, no, look, Amnica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you claiming that bollocks is an Irish word?
No, it's not. No, that's the thing. Yeah,
That's
it
what I
is
was gonna
English,
say,
but
yeah.
I think there's
He's
a number
claiming
of
it's the
words.
inspiration of the book. Bollocks.
Now,
I
mean,
also have an ology in bollocks, having written a book called Bollocksology in
Oh,
2016.
sorry.
Yeah.
We didn't realize
Yeah.
your qualifications call them to
Yeah,
the
now
term.
the university I got that at would be very much from the Trump University School of Universities, in that I probably
Right.
just invented it myself.
But
But
you're well acquainted with the bollocks.
I am indeed.
Yes.
Yes.
Very
Yeah.
juicy.
No
That's
more than
important.
ourselves.
Fluent.
That's
Yeah,
important.
yeah.
You know?
I'm fluent. in it.
Colm, talk to us about what kind of research goes into a book like this? Like, how scientific did you get?
Well, let's not scare people away with too much science, but it starts from like the different categories of how we group our general language. There might be the politics, there might be food and drink, there might be a bit of swearing, and then I go around the counties as well, because there's a few words from every county.
Yeah, cainte.
And then beagainn as Gaeilge, the bits that come from Irish, why we say, why we don't, I have it with me. Why we don't, there's no verb for to have in Irish and all this kind of thing, tá sé gom, that kind of thing.
Oh, yeah.
But then there's fun stuff like even looking up swearing in the Dáil. You can look up every speech in the Dáil since 1919, since there was probably a speech
Fantastic.
saying, would you put away them guns, Fianna Fáil?
Yeah.
Right back.
That's
And
such a niche Darren would love.
No, I
feel.
was just like ding, ding, ding.
Yeah,
I'm
you
like
look up-
all over this.
You go on the Houses of the Oireachtas website, and then you go, right, how many fucks were there? And there wasn't one until Paul Gogarty, and then there's been a few since. Half
Who
of them
was
are
the
Mick
first
Wallace.
fuck?
Paul Gogarty.
Paul
Fuck you,
Gogarty.
Deputy Stag. Fuck you.
That was the first fuck.
my
the first fuck.
constituency.
Wow.
Yeah.
The Falterove. Yeah.
There you go. We've
Yeah,
got
the-
something good out
Yeah.
of West Dublin. Landlocked Lucan.
Yeah.
First fuck
Yeah.
in all.
The fuck that was heard around the world.
Yes. That was brilliant.
And-
That was fantastic.
Yeah,
It was
I
a
had
moment.
a slight vibe with that fuck, because it didn't feel tip of the tongue enough.
Yeah.
You think he rehearsed it?
Well, he said, and I'm going to say this now in the most or excuse the unparliamentary language, but fuck you, Deputy Stag. Fuck. And that's different. Would you wait and fuck off?
Yeah.
That's different to the Heather Humphreys. I remember Heather Humphreys was questioned by the Ditch about what she was doing with the
That was
office
iconic.
above her constituent office.
Yeah.
And she said something like, do you know what Jews can do now? You can fuck off and leave me alone.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I was like, that's our president, right?
Yeah.
But
missed the trick.
but that was I felt no, I
The
don't want to
delivery of
impugn.
the fuck was a different context.
I
or
just
something.
felt like maybe he might have been thinking about it for a while beforehand.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Well, sometimes you have to build up.
maybe you do. Maybe
that was a
maybe.
brave thing that Paul Gogarty did that day.
Yes.
smashing glass ceilings.
Yeah, I feel for them, because this was at the dying embers of that government,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
the Greens were getting it in the neck, and
Yeah.
but so then there was a few since then. Then you go, how many wankers were there?
Oh yeah. How many? What other good curses were used in the Dáil?
Well, see, the thing is, like, there actually wouldn't be that many. Often you'd see the ones that are kind of so sometimes they'd be, this is the kind of abuse I got in an email, and then that's the language they'd quote.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Basically, Mick Wallace has been responsible for about 80% of the swearing, and it's usually like, you don't give a fuck, that's a load of bollocks, and
Yeah.
that kind of thing. But years ago, if you called somebody like a chancer, it wasn't allowed. Because there's that list in the salient rulings of the
What is
Dáil.
the list?
There's about 13 words. Chancer, corner boy,
Amazing.
fascist.
Dowlig.
Amazing.
I think
Liar, obviously,
liar,
famously.
yeah.
Yeah.
possibly gombeen might be on it. But you see, gombeen is
Yeah.
a bad word, because a gombeen is an Irish word
Yes.
as a moneylender, and particularly a moneylender during the famine.
Oh.
So if you were lending money for interest during the famine, that's worse
Yeah.
than drinking any soup.
No.
Oh wow! So
Yeah.
gombeen was a bad one. Cheers
yeah,
hello.
yeah.
Yeah.
Good to know.
It nearly is like a term of endearment in he's a lovable old gombeen, you know, like
Yeah.
in Kerry you'd hear
I
the
would have thought it was always really negative still.
No, I think it kind of
Yeah.
means like lovable dope. Do you know what I mean? Like just a
Well,
bit of a
yeah.
God help us, like he's
yeah,
a bit of a,
great door.
yeah.
Speaking of God help us, I
Wouldn't
love God help us because Gunde Limni, you can see it.
I don't
changing
have a
into-
Limerick chapter. I didn't see
There's
it.
a little Limerick chapter buried in the Munster chapter.
Okay.
Obviously, Gaul is the Limerick word,
Yeah, yeah.
naturally. But also,
God help us.
honorary mention for Telpus,
Yeah.
which is like almost the social media era abbreviation of God help us.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Because people
Would be used
Would be
often
like
in Limerick. Help us.
Telpus, and then
yeah.
and then
yeah.
it becomes condensed,
Yeah.
and then people write it in a Facebook comment,
Yeah.
and then suddenly Telpus is now a word.
Tell
You know.
this is amazing.
Yeah.
And I like that because people worry about social media coming in and making everybody homogenous,
Mm-hmm.
but actually it's leading to things being written down that were never written before.
Mm.
Like Ara. So where are you all from? Where you're from depends on whether you're Ara, Yera, or
Yeah,
are
yeah,
you
Yeah.
I'm Limerick with Kerry parents.
yeah. So
So
you're
Yera.
Yera, yeah.
I'm a Yera, yeah.
And you West.
I'm a dub.
Dub.
But my mother's from Cooley, and
Oh,
yeah.
So that'd be an Era.
Era,
in
yeah.
or Cork
Era.
City, and it would be an Era.
I
Yeah.
know my mother would be very Cork Kerry border, so she'd be kind of more Yera.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
And then in the West it's more Ara.
Ara, yeah.
But I'd never seen any of those written down. You might see Ara written
Yeah.
in the Playboy the Western World or something like that. And then Yera, you'd write in Irish, Dhera.
Yeah.
But Era in Cork, Era, you don't know, I like. I never saw it written until I saw it on Facebook. And I was like, who's writing Era everywhere?
Yeah, or some people do a DH as well, which I
yeah.
love. But when does it change then? When you go up northern, then it kind of changes. Och, you know.
Oh yeah, I'd say probably
we've had this
it is.
conversation before, yeah.
It's more of an Ulster. Definitely, Och is more of an Ulster
yeah.
thing, and that's coming down from Scotland.
Yeah,
a bit of Och
yeah,
as
yeah.
well. But what's nice is that people are writing stuff down. It's kind of like the way camera phones have meant people who've never been photographed before have been photographed doing things that never. Like you go to the ploughing.
Yeah.
Like, and there's like fellas going on about I love Slolly. Like
Yeah.
he was not on
What an
1960s
icon.
telly.
No.
Do you know what I mean?
That fella has made an entire career
Yeah.
for himself. off
He's
the back of that.
very handsome young
Yeah,
man, isn't he?
He is Kanturk or somewhere in North
Yeah,
Cork.
somewhere in
Yes.
North Cork.
Is it?
Yeah,
he was
yeah.
lovely,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's I love words. I have a great and I think we as Irish people love words. We have a really intimate relationship with words, idioms, turns of phrases. Where do you think that comes from?
I think it's the struggle. It's the struggle.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
The torment.
the torment.
The torment, yeah.
The existential angst that comes from living here. But it's also like, I'm sure lots of countries will have the mixture of English and their native language.
Yeah.
But here, it's one of the places where the Changa
Yeah.
is most influencing the version of English that's been spoken, because in other countries they kind of killed all the natives and so the
Yeah.
languages died out, whereas here we stuck around and our language is still there, underneath the covers.
Yeah.
And so and we changed our accent, or indeed you could say that the accent we have here is the way English was spoken 500 years ago. Like, for example, a third of Shakespeare's rhymes don't rhyme anymore
Wow.
because the vowels have changed. So all the tays and decent man, all we say
Yeah.
tay. They used to say tay as a version of it,
Yeah.
so we would have still have the old vowel sounds that they kind of got
Right.
rid of. We'd say mate. Have we any mate for the dinner? And that's meat used to be mat or mate
Yeah.
500 years ago. So we have a version of the language here, and I like it because it's like the language obviously came in by fire and sword,
Yeah.
but it washed across, and then bits of it hung around that aren't being used in England anymore. And it's the same, you see bits of it in America, but here I think most of all. And we've been sort of, with the language, the version of English we've been speaking, we've been sort of keeping things a bit under our breath, like,
Yeah.
the way we don't. American will talk like this. These are
Yeah.
my words. And my-
Oh, you're good at accents, Colm.
This is,
Yeah.
my right to bear words, or is he like, just don't be telling them to know? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I sometimes, I was saying this on stage recently, the way in football, in soccer now, they're all covering their mouths when they're on the sideline, doing tactics. And
So lip
they can't
readers
be
can't
lip
make-
read.
yeah.
But I've been watching Clubber TV, and you see lads in Clare club matches doing this, and I'm like, you don't need to do that. Like,
Yeah.
There is
letting
nobody
go.
going to lip read you
Yeah.
going, you
Yeah.
better fucking bust him up now fairly
Yeah.
lively. Like
Yeah.
nobody's going to guess that.
Yeah.
No lip reader.
Tá ceist gom dit,
Yeah.
Colm. We talk often about being a judge of character ar an Bud Chréile seo, and I'm interested to see what I'm sure you have your own opinions on this, what you're drawn to, what you're like, that's a red flag now if someone uses this word or this phrase. I have loads, but I'd love to know what yours are.
I have learned to be more tolerant
Yeah.
since, certainly since my own children have acquired, like, you know,
Oh, accents.
so everything is slay now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
What age are your kids, though?
They're 8 and 10, two girls,
yeah,
8
yeah.
and 10.
They
So
grow up that
absolutely
gentle.
everything is slay. But then so's deadly. Like, you know, they're both
Yeah.
equally related to mortality. So I have learned to let go because I will drive myself
Bananas,
insane. So
yeah.
every time I see somebody write could have instead of could have, I just take a breath, I center myself. And I think, what would Jesus do? Right? Because otherwise I will go insane because I'm naturally a pedant. Also, I have a touch of misophonia. Certain voices drive me absolutely, you know, people talking with that kind of sound.
yeah.
And people are kind of nod like that and don't get the fucking words.
The vocal
Would you
fry.
just
Yeah.
drink some water,
Yeah.
use your lungs, push that air out. You know, I can
Yeah.
tell you, no, you're impressing. But anyway, I'm not. Sorry, I'm over it. I'm over it, right? But I have to, because I have a tendency towards that.
Yeah.
And I would, like, I'm trying to think now. It was funny, I interviewed Miriam Margolyes
Oh, yeah. I love her.
wow.
for she was doing a book tour, and she hates like in the sense of, and I was like, and then he was like, and we were like,
I say
And-
We're devils
We're
first.
devils.
We're
and we were down in
Circle.
Cork, so I had to say,
Like,
listen,
like.
now you're in the
The
place
wrong
that invented like here now. But for everything that you hate, there's a thing you're doing that puts somebody else in the same mood. So I
Very
just,
forgiving.
I have
approach.
to, I'm not a good person.
Yeah.
This is just self-care at this stage
Yeah.
now, because I am a pedant and it could drive me nuts. But I've just learned, fuck it. Like, because
Yeah.
language is so, we're speaking what we think is the perfect language is just another shit-built house with no planning permission on top of a history of all shite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's interesting with the like because do you ever listen to GAA interviews? I know
Yeah.
you talk about GAA sideline.
Yeah.
And all of the lads, do you know, I suppose,
Yeah.
do you know?
Yeah, and,
Like-
and further condensed to
crutch.
I buzz, yeah.
Yeah. And I
It-
wonder if it's just a thing that
Well, yeah, the GA interview is a masterclass in buying some time before you're ever asked to say anything of any substance whatsoever
Yeah.
that might be in danger of being pinned up on the dressing room wall in the semi-final. Like
Yeah.
I'd say, I don't know how full-time GA players of either gender ever let their guard down to form relationships, because when they're being interviewed,
know,
they're
like,
look,
I suppose.
do you know,
I
sure,
suppose now, do you know.
look at this is it now, and you know there was 2 teams out there this day, and like
the Irish are
they're-
saying absolutely nothing, isn't it?
yeah,
stalling.
because
Yeah.
they're and an American. Even Rory McIlroy will say, yeah, I think I played a pretty good golf game out there today, and you know I worked on the percentages, and you know we put the work in, and we did the thing on purpose, and it happened as we intended. Whereas the GA players are like, oh sure, geez, like the ball hit off me fucking knob, and then I don't know how it got in 8 times in a row. You know,
Yeah,
like it's that don't put anything down to the incredible skill and the high performance environment which is written on the 200-page document you got at Christmas, including your diet. Don't put anything down to that. It's just, sure, look, I just found myself in a bit of space.
Yeah. Purely accidental.
Bit of space because
Bit of space.
yeah, and it's mad because, and you're talking about why we have why the language is so important to us. It's that ways of saying nothing. You know, it's like the old song, we say it best when we say nothing at all.
Well, that's true. But I think you can also, it's very, you can tell someone's, you know, class, where they go, their outlook on the world.
Yeah.
When you actually study the language that they use and the inflections how comfortable someone is in themselves.
Yeah.
I have a big theory. You know, we're young women. Being very generous to us here. Women in our early 30s. But you know, I reckon that you can tell how comfortable a woman is in herself and how uncomfortable she is by how much of a hi you'll get, and the bigger the oh my god hi,
Yeah.
the more uncomfortable they are in
Okay.
themselves. And I so this is a theory that I've like
You're working on.
I observe when I meet people. So
Yeah.
I think it's really interesting looking at that.
I've been in this business long enough not to wade into a discussion
Yeah,
on young women's
okay,
speech.
fair enough. Yeah,
With my size 9s, tell you that much.
Yeah.
You know what?
Say nothing.
But all of you are slaying it right now. So that was of any age.
Maybe the
Gagla.
fáistí. So the fáistí that she'd oak and that she'd also slay. Olain focail own lower. Like, has anything started creeping back into the children's lingo in it, or is it all kind of Americanized?
Well, ní sé raw Americanized. So size Chunaker influence
Sure.
from Umsa Freshen, and like they were workshopping titles for it, and so Ruby, my eldest, and Lily, they came up with because Ruby's read my Irish Mammy's books, and so she's Irish Mammy literate, and so the title she came up with was "Don't Mind Your Old Fancy Words." So, so I'm keeping.
Very
Yeah.
good. Very
So
good.
I put it to the publishers. They voted it down. I should have said it was hers. I said it was mine. No.
Ruby
men
Buck,
taking
Connor.
young women's work again.
Classic.
But so it's funny in general with children. Like you're trying not to be a dick and go, we're going to turn out the exact same way I did, you know. Because there was a sentence came out of my mouth recently. She has this "I'm in my Swifty era" jumper, right?
Yeah.
And we were doing a kind of a charity shop, agus.
Yeah.
And the Swifty era, it was worse now than somebody in the carpenter, the fuckers, the pianists. No, I wouldn't bother the two of them. I'd be more of the Pink Pony Club. No, we want to scene. But she said, "I'm in my," and it was. She wanted to get rid of the jumper into the vintage /
The vintage.
Oh my God, I
She's
love
not
it.
vintage
Very
Katie, she's
used to.
12.
Well, she's deaf, but where she like they are so charity shop and vintage
Wow.
literate,
I'd
like
love
they
to
love
do
it. There's
that.
more fun.
That's class.
See, the thing about a charity shop is féidir leat yes a raw.
Yeah.
It's a
Sure.
charity shop.
Sure.
You go into Pennies, you have to say no all the time
Yeah,
because there's a million things.
Shin Fair.
But anyway, so she had a Swifty era jumper and she wanted to get rid of it, and I said, I didn't think you were gone too big for that. I think that still fits in. She said, yeah, but I'm not really in my Swifty era anymore. And I said,
Oh my God, I love.
and I said, your Swifty era will end when you're too big for that jumper. I'm like Taylor Swift's first manager here, dictating when the Swifty era is going to end.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Do you find that the girls, do you want them to speak? Like, do you give them words that you feel are fancy? Like, I love the way that what was a fancy word in Ruby's opinion?
Gallivanting was a bit of a fancy word.
Oh, gallivanting, yeah.
So it is so tempting to be kind of correcting them
Yeah.
and accents and trying, you know, and God forgive me for saying, and you don't have to end every sentence like this all the time, you know. And you know, I don't want to say it like, but that's just got to let them do their thing.
Yeah.
Because I think people talk like their friends anyway, whatever you say to them, and so I'm probably talk more like my father now than I did when I was 14 or 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you form
Yeah.
your identities
Yeah.
and that. So there is like you're trying to not be an arsehole when it
Yeah.
comes to the way your children speak, because you want them to sound a bit countryish. That's where I'm from.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, I mean, my wife's from Wexford. I'm from Cork, so obviously I want them to sound like they're from Cork.
Yeah. Do you know, it's a really funny thing. My parents are very proudly Kerry, right? And when I started going to school in Limerick, I'd put on a Limerick accent and I'd come home and I'd be like, talking to my friends on the phone, I'd be like, how are you, love? And
Yeah.
my mother used to be like, don't be going around saying love like that. That's really dreadful. You sound like you're real. Do you know, she hated that I was sounded Limerick City like.
Coming home like
love.
blind boy,
Yeah.
Yeah.
big vape inhale into the
Yeah,
mic.
yeah.
It's so mad, isn't it?
The bag on her head upstairs on the phone to her friends.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, sure. I don't even have a
out.
strong Cork accent. It's kind of a mix between Kilkenny. My mother is Kilkenny and my father is Cork. But like if you look at old TV footage, we spoke differently then. Anyway, like if you
Yeah.
look at Irish people speaking
Oh, yeah.
on Ryark or something, some
Yeah.
archive thing, we all sort of spoke. Now maybe it was our TV accent, but there was a funny kind of a parish priest accent that we all kind of talked with like that, and you couldn't say like you would say most of the country kind
Yeah.
of spoke a little bit like
Yeah.
that, and the Dublin accent has changed.
Yeah.
You know, the
Yes.
Dublin accent has gone from give up your old sins a bit.
that's my
you know,
favourite accent.
You
That
love
old,
it.
I love
Yeah.
that
And-
old Dublin accent is
And
gorgeous.
I hear
yeah.
leave her out kind of preserves
Yeah.
it, but like a Dublin Jungfla will say, instead of there, they'll say dear, over
Yeah.
here instead of here. Like
Yeah,
that's changing along the way, and you
Came
can't say
from?
that's coming from. I don't know. Like it's there's definitely an MMA thing coming in as well. Yeah, respect, brother. Like it's a different kind of a McGregorization
Brother,
of vocal
Yeah.
cords.
Well, he's got
Yeah.
American now. I just never want them to get rid of Anton.
And,
I love that. Didn't do Anton.
Yeah.
Miss, I didn't do Anton. That's my favourite.
And
Yeah.
they didn't.
no,
no
they
proof. You've no proof.
So
Yeah.
Cadiad na I suppose Frosty or even
Yeah.
na focail is farlat Haitian Lars Oshkri of Will
Well,
Yeah.
ein focail be.
Ceann is even Lachico.
Oh, yeah.
So
Such
in
a
Kirky.
yeah, so it's
Galway
tribute to Maher
connacht.
town
Go on.
because for him, Alachico was a fella that'd be hanging around up to no good.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Basically, Alachico might be stealing tools out of a shed.
yeah,
that's- you,
yeah.
you can't say necessarily career thief a town. Like,
Yeah,
Well, God has a dog in Lachico. Is it? What's it mean?
That's
well,
a real.
there's a long story. Like, tell me yours first.
Well,
Yeah.
I thought now Lachico, isn't that a real kind of Connacht Galway kind of a? Well, in my mind anyway, that's really like.
But it doesn't sound like it could have come from anything in Irish. I'm like, what's Lachico? Like, it sounds
Well,
like an unusual.
If
weird
you look
word,
up,
isn't
I
it?
was looking it up. So I think it was in an Irishman's diary. Was quoted in the Irish Times was quoting John B. Keane that Lachico was basically a bastardization of a bull with half a bollock. Right, so you're kind of half
God.
useful.
Back to the bollock.
Back to the bollocks again.
Yeah.
And then I made up a
All
thing which I've
roads.
clearly said in
Yeah.
it that so this is completely made up. But when they used to be evicting people. They'd be opening in during the bad times, during the land wars, late 19th century, that the constabulary would be belting in the door with a crowbar, which was called an Irish latchkey, because that was how they opened the door. And I was kind of saying it possibly might have come from that. Now, I have completely
Yeah.
made that leap myself, because I can't find it. You go back so far and then you find there's no other
Yeah.
text,
Yeah.
and even like there isn't even a sniff of it in a book that you can't see,
Right.
when you're kind
Right.
of having a look around.
Yeah.
But I love it because it somehow manages to sound Irish, English, and vaguely European.
Yeah,
it
it
does.
does.
Japanese at the same time.
Lachico, yeah.
Lachico,
Doesn't
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Céh bhéid den na focail más tú atá nasca acu leis an ghilge sa leabhar?
Another, 34.
But like, I don't know,
Yeah.
percentage you were taking,
Yeah.
like, because I know I heard
Yeah.
you talking about the word shy talk, and
Yes.
like that came from India.
Yeah, like it's more. I won't answer the question because I don't know. So I'll do the minister one. I'll answer a question that I have prepared an answer for instead. We spent $2 billion on the Irish language. No,
We wish.
it's so sometimes we have a tendency to look for the Irish in everything, right? For example, Mott in Dublin, right?
Yeah.
People going on about Colleen Ma.
Yeah,
right?
Mahan Colleen,
This
I
guy-
heard
I don't know
that.
what, and
mean
I don't know
Mott,
what's the
like,
name of that.
yeah.
It's like I think is it retconning, where you retrospectively put context
Oh,
on
yeah,
something that
yeah.
isn't there, right? Whereas Mott is an old Dutch word. It's in thieves' dictionaries. Like, so there's brilliant old Victorian dictionaries, like a dictionary of basically all the stuff these ruffians say. So Mott means a young girl, going back 300 years in that, and it came from Dutch. There was a fella, Daniel Cassidy, wrote a book in America. He was an American academic of Irish extraction, and he basically went looking through slang and then trying to find Irish explanations for it. So he said that scam was Irish because is com because com means bent or crooked. The come on is a
Yeah.
bent
Right.
stick,
Yeah.
but that's probably 95% likely to be utter bollocks.
Or like
Yeah.
when people say that because Irish
Yeah.
worked on the railroads,
Yeah.
that on digging to turned into can you dig it or do you dig it? That's I
Oh, yeah.
do
Yeah.
not accept
No,
that.
it's
I
not.
Really don't.
What
But
did you say?
twig,
Rencon?
twig might be.
Yeah.
Did
Twig?
have you twigged that
Yeah.
happened? That's more likely
Oh.
that
Big
twig.
fa.
Well,
that come
on,
from?
like TUIG or
Oh,
twig,
sorry.
twig,
Twig
and
twig,
dig, yeah.
So that
Twig.
might be.
Oh.
But do you dig? So what happens when you do that is you're taking it away from probably African American English.
Yeah.
So you're
exactly.
stealing somebody else's. I don't know if you're aiming out to steal it, but you are. Like, you can't have everything. I'm not saying the three of you are doing it, but but
You're
like.
dead right to put us up on it.
Yeah, I've been listening to this podcast. I've been ready to write in. But there's no need for it. Like, the way I
Yeah.
describe it, both Irish and Hiberno-English or Irish English, it's like with teams as good as that, why would you field an ineligible player? Like there's more interesting stuff there without making stuff up.
So Lachico, ain't Rodella.
Well, again, as a tribute to my mother, I loved the way my mother used to use quarehawk to mean dodgy fella just hanging around. Nothing to do with sexuality, just
Of course.
don't be, I don't know, don't want you being around town that there'd be quarehawks hanging around. Like a quarehawk could just mean a singer, like somebody who had a slightly unconventional lifestyle, but just I don't know why was this obsession with hawks, like general birds, fear of birds of prey.
I had never heard shite hawk in Limerick.
Never heard.
really? It wasn't, no.
Either, no.
I think it's a gas one.
Isn't it, Jack? Because it just comes from Irish and English soldiers stationed in India, giving out about this hawk that would steal their food, and they just called it a shite hawk. And made its way back, a bit like the langer in Cork, which may have been an Indian monkey with a nose that looked like a langer. Oh, like another example. Slightly. Look, there's a book, The Language of Kilkenny, like the slang in Kilkenny,
Perfect.
and 100 years ago in Kilkenny, if somebody was giving you a hard time, particularly like a woman who was henpecking her husband, right? They'd say, "Oh,
What's
she's
henpecking your husband?"
as in a domineering woman and a henpecked husband." Right? Is henpecked
she knew a
news?
dumb set.
All right, okay.
What's a henpecked?
I wouldn't know.
If you don't know what the henpecked husband is, but
We have a different word for it. Limerick.
my husband would never say that. He knows his place.
I do, yeah, supposed, like.
So look, we were lucky now to get the
Sure,
results. I'm not going to do any better now. Like, but so somebody, he's in something along the lines of, she's Sevastopol, which is in the Crimea and probably dated from the time of the Irish soldiers in the Crimean War, and it was the worst place to be then. And now you'd say, it's like fucking Beirut if there's a pothole, or just like Kabul in Dublin because you got into a crash. Like it's picking like what you can almost tell what's going on in the world by what Irish people think is a bad place to be.
Oh my God,
Do you know what I mean? It's a bit like, what place would your mother say, "Aren't you lucky you're not there now, eat up your dinner"? If you were out there, you would be. So, and that used to be China and India 50 or 60 years ago. So obviously they can be proud of themselves that they've raised themselves income-wise, and Irish mammies are no longer comparing a full plate.
That bad,
but that's like, words change over time. I think it's all it is.
You can start going.
I was going to say, we have to ask you about a good insult that is often thrown around here is an El Shonini or a Shoninoch or na Shonini or a West Brit.
Oh yes, yeah.
West
and I
Brit,
think
the
West
dreaded.
Brit, the West Brit, like, was Daniel O'Connell first said West Brit in the 1820s or 30s, and he said it along the lines of, I think we should be, we should learn English and we should be kind of like a West Britain as a good thing. And then around, I think, the Gaelic League. So isn't there a brilliant poster?
Fault Rove girls.
There's a poster of, like, the traditional woman representing Ireland. What was it? There was a woman like holding up a torch or something like that, and it's something along the lines of, turn your back on Britain and turn to Ireland. And West Brit then was an insult. Then around, but for years it was kind of the equivalent of saying, you nearly put it on your LinkedIn. I'm a West Brit. That make yourself more employable. It was still ditch the Irish language, and was it who said it? I think it was Daniel O'Connell said the Irish language is an awful yoke altogether. We need to get rid of it.
He thought that we should get rid of it.
Yeah, but he was an awful
language.
fucking bollocks anyway.
Well, listen,
we
have to have another podcast to get into that.
But he'd be like, give me my monster meeting and let the church run everything and give us a little bit of freedome. Like, there are people who deserve statues more than him now.
Hard agree.
Dara, you couldn't insult, a worse insult you couldn't give now to Dara than a West Brit.
That would be in
Send
our
you
house
over the edge.
now. Always
lowest,
reared to think that a West Brit was the lowest of the low now. There's beyond anything else.
Although I still go over there for the Christmas, like,
Listen, we could talk to you for another hour in a row, but Colm bugger right, but cad atá tacht suas ditche bhfuil ein gigs no ein rud das
It's still on gig. It's Farlam ag an am shot now on. It's called Darvanum Infant Joke. So tá club gums to Kilmainham called In Jokes. It's a Patriots in August Tasha for grown ups. But gach me tá cean Madden de Hina, the parents with babies. So
Oh, now Síomha New York.
Don't worry.
Tugan Siad na
Babies in the
Lani,
belly or out of the womb?
both. Yeah.
Very good.
There you
And-
go. I imagine
and
it's
Bo-
just like just
Yeah.
pregnant women.
That's a
Just
fetish.
pregnant parents.
Yeah.
Well, there's been a child aged 3 weeks who's been at 2 gigs. Once aged 38 weeks and once aged 3
Super
weeks.
fan.
Rock
Yeah.
and roll, Colm,
Yeah.
rock and
And,
roll. Fair play.
So the babies crawl down the front of a little playmat,
Oh.
get rid of the stage because there's the corners,
Yeah.
and
Fucking blind at them for
and
the
they
hour.
come in, and so we get about 40 or 50 mums and dads, about 30 babies, and
Oh.
some are in slings. The buggy parking's outrageous. Like, it's just slotted in, like we needed a second story. And generally the first Friday of the month, after first Friday mass, no. It sells out every month, and it's fun, like, because the babies are crawling around. At one point, the kind of things that don't happen at a grown-up gig, baby drops a soother, and while I'm in the middle of emceeing, bend down to pick it up for the baby. Another baby walks around the back of me unseen. I nearly stand on that baby. The crowd goes, and it's fine. The baby is called Mossy. Like, that baby is
fantastic.
tough
Go on,
as
Mossy.
old
Mossy.
poops.
He's a man I want to go for a pint with in 20
Yeah,
years'
a
time.
little Aaron jumper as well too, and he's just
fantastic.
like,
yeah,
yeah.
a little dudeen in his
Yeah,
bob, like
yeah, he
no
looked like-
Jodie, a dudeen.
Have I massy kid?
yeah, he
Tell
looked like
us.
he'd just come from doing
Elvis.
a bit of tiling or something.
Yeah.
And the man was very chilled. Like, it's just a baby called Mossy is not going to be,
Yeah.
you know, I'll auntie, you know.
Yeah. It's a similar. A name tells
yeah.
so much, like the language. I always
Yeah.
think when I meet someone, I say my name is Doireann Colm. That's such a fucking statement in itself,
Yeah.
you know. So Mossy, he's given outrageous statements.
Doireann's a class name. In fairness, I have a niece
It
called
is.
Doireann.
Doireann.
Yeah,
Oh, there you
yeah.
go.
And it never caught the massive name
Yeah.
wave.
No, it
because it
didn't.
has spelling issues. People are going to spell it wrong.
Listen, I'm fucking dealing with
Yeah.
that every single day.
Yeah.
Doe
Disaster.
around. Yeah.
Yeah,
Doreen.
Doreen, Dorothy,
Yeah.
Dorianne, every kind of a thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Síomha's not much better. The two girls get an awful time, really.
Síomha.
Louise was just common in the 90s, and I think like that was it. It's so
Louise
many
is timeless.
It's
Although
annoying.
I haven't heard a baby Louise now in a while though.
Yeah.
Yeah, they kind of did. We had our time in the 90s. We peaked.
Well, Louise, maybe there was a few Louise or Luz or
Luz.
Louise sounds
yeah.
like she dyes her hair black.
Eloise. I think Eloise.
Eloise.
Eloise. No,
Eloise.
Louise
Eloise
is British.
British.
West British.
Yeah, West
Yeah.
British. We're
Yeah.
venturing into West British
Yeah.
territory.
Says
there.
you, Colm.
It's definitely, yeah, I'll take it. I've been called Colon. So,
Colon, yeah.
yeah.
I mean,
Well,
who shall he shall?
I feel Colon describes me well in that I'm underappreciated but vital.
Well, Aaron, note the shin. We really appreciate you being on Solin in of gallivanting
Oh,
with
good.
words. Available in all good bookshops.
And bad ones.
Yeah.
And a few petrol stations as well.
Now raibh sé sin go hálinn, lads, Colm O'Regan, he even wrote us a little note to das, and he's in our Labhraíonn book.
I know. I can't believe Corinna Dermid a phlé leis go bhfuil muid sa leabhar or luta sa leabhar.
Sorry, yes, we forgot to say that. He mentions us at the end as breis léthireachta.
No, not das.
Or
Not
éis seoireachta,
Yeah,
I
I
suppose.
was saying the other bit fucking screech
Yeah.
going go.
Gfol. Yeah.
What's this
God
space?
love
Yeah.
us.
Aren't
Jesus
words
Christ.
unreal though?
I honestly like my favourite thing just Festy she used to play focail. Sin actually rud atá fucking deadly má hatú riamh hís againn mar bheith míadna. De hína beag seo a dogí other voices being Allagar on aine arsúlacha digáine and it's deadly being Dina just see people or feicil blorchlaig a play focail in Gaeilge and it's a class. Yeah, that's really, really tanibh.
How does that on the far hees and shin? Is it Toos?
Yeah,
Oh my
Toos
God.
and girls,
Girls,
yeah,
yeah.
Oh, fucking Severus atá gan
Yeah, tá sé do chreite. So it's fiúga mór má hatú timppel. I don't know actually mean tigáine ní sé oscailte tam so them blian so I don't know cean áta múlan siad madan de hín and they're often siad a tigáine. But bit gan in my iirecht dul de híine. I go bhí.
Yeah.
It's class. Anyway, it's
Yeah.
fiúga mór dul tá sé deadly.
Hug tús McGarrett focail ar frás a das go séanú gus Silvana's Queen le mé a rálam, and it was like a beautiful phrase for sex, and it was about like ní Queen le Maurice go dtír okay, but it was like
Oh great.
I sail my boat up your valley of Suas the Evening. It was like sailing my ship up the valley of joy or something. Anyway, it was like a Schlias Farachan raw
Yeah.
band that you wanted to make love to him. And anyway, he was like when Trilas anyway or Candana. Well, maybe not actually.
no,
giving him a novel.
I take Ribrick Shea Scocker the Shana Hulavan.
Well, I
Yeah,
just thought, he was like, well, Sean Schlias far lum era, and Orion will get it for us there now. But anyway, yeah, I thought it was Anna Philite. You know,
Well, we'll have to go back and get that because we if Tommy Gary Fala Machanish got began.
yeah. No, tá sé tá.
Better gan is you
Um,
can dare shaft and what you think, Louise.
Right, so in Gluisianish Colini. Will I give you an frás sin ó Shane O'Sullivan?
Let the whole.
Okay. Agsúla mo gló tóige sús gólín an níomhnas.
Go on.
Sailing my boat up the inlet of bliss.
Nach das.
Are there
Nach das.
If a young lad said that to you, would you let him sail?
It depends on damar they're for sin kunsen coil gart, and then I'd a braher shin it'd be yes or no.
Okay, so give it to us as you want it.
Well, no, vi sé gart got an sun, but just had galore kunsen I coile and so vech sin fad all gart, so it's golín and eveenish. Yeah. Go and session Samul golín near Cholame golín so chohek sin riafana.
Well, shout out to McCarl via Shane O'Sullivan.
No.
Ein rodella goibh Colleen Stús.
An gailge Hiberno-English ná Béarla na hÉireann, agus an gailge slang ná caint ná Malta. Tá anna Malta actually mar rása.
Anna Malta. Tango Leocht nach sin an Greiling tagging linguistics and Cadella Tosh scríhe going
An gailge etymology.
Sana Siocht.
Yeah.
Sana Siocht, was small one like
It's kind of like sana sa.
it's a Paris Hilton, isn't it?
Paris Hilton, Nicole
Nicole
Richie.
Richie.
Yeah.
Sana. And then this is such a weird reference, yeah. But good ass. Did you teach your son to sing that or something?
What?
Did you see that video? Am I now making that up?
Béarla, Paris Hilton teaching her son to sing.
Sana.
Again, way over my head here.
Yeah.
Do you know what you need to say in that case? DR Sawval, or as we say, Limnock Telpus.
Telpus. I
Telpus.
love that.
Telpus is good, yeah.
The Lord help us and save us.
No, but say it more like Limerick City, like Telpus.
No. I can't.
Try it.
I can't.
Telpus.
No, I'll sound like
famously the worst Limerick accent I've ever heard.
Get your cunts and quail.
I'll sound like I'm appropriating your culture.
Girl, fall to road like, does it? Put tree last year in. You could do Telpus.
Oh, Telpus.
Put your Dirt Davis hat on you.
Telpus.
Oh, this is
Telpus.
Telpus.
Come here, girl. No.
Love.
But would they also say girl?
No, Anna Kirkuk.
Okay.
Telpus, love. How are you, love?
Telpus, love.
How are you, love? Almost like. Do you know?
Louise's alter ego. There you go.
I get a slap for a dog. Yeah. Actually, and shout out to Niall O'Halloran. Can we say go Aish Lenar like Kjol Argara Niall has released The Parish is Burning, a lovely new EP, and via Sauna gun it launched in Whelan's right in Inishkata, and it was very gas to be a lower Caroglia and to hear all of the how you loves. There was a lot of Limerick kids that I knew from school, and I was like, this is very funny.
It actually is like listening to Dirt Davis when you
go like that.
Yeah, it is. It's great.
Yeah,
I miss him. I haven't seen him in ages.
Yeah, Kodak Bay Collie did. She was like, geez, I haven't seen you since like we did leave it forever. It's you.
Yeah.
Like which is brilliant though, hin lads. I can point to show.
I know.
Maybe we are
muttons. For Vianna FOMO.
We are muttons, yeah.
No, don't say that. Níor tosa ag an show.
No, sure, I was bedbound. I didn't get out of bed in the horrors. I just go straight back to the bed now. Nacht disaster.
So we'll kill new Niall O'Halloran mar Yup na Seachtain and new Rodell agus.
Yup na Seachtain kill new and Niall Parish is burning.
Okay. There you go.
Go agus éist.
Yes, fair play.
Anava. Well, ein yak give.
Yuck, no, vi mar play Shonínachas stoka.
Absolutely.
And knock das on yuck, eh?
Always the yuck. Always
vi mar play le column rind samply the Shonínachas.
Yes, let's do this.
And on Mullaviega, no, like if someone says Boxing Day, not Stephen Stone, Drolene.
Yeah, absolutely. Now if someone says mum.
No, my Aaron said it the police.
Oh, who are the police?
I fucking hate that. I'm like, who are the police?
Yeah.
She done show.
Yeah.
Who called the police?
Yeah. Or
Popo.
Scone. In North Scone.
Yeah.
You can't be
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
it's a scone.
Scone. Tell us.
Tell us scone, love. Right, well it's only Bhuel sin on maids on tacht and Sean Dame Dermot Gulf you shot Omlan or Father Spotify. I said that already.
You did, but
we'll go again.
And
I actually think, well, as we speak in ish, Aaron Law shop, there's Cúpla, Bonnie, Foca, but maybe not by the time this comes out, so get them while they're hot.
So half, you missed out.
Suckers. We might drop them ever again.
God help you. No, you're totally gone.
No. But if you have a Bonnie actually that's landed in your life, can you photograph yourself and send us?
Yeah. Former green graph, and then just in it, there's certain like, I got it. I'm like, show me.
Yeah, we want to see it on you.
And do you know what I love is Nurtha to she at Earth kind of darúten to kecho larger is it on the patroon and then keen to picture and you're like actually on the patroon like talking to the mach a lot. Yeah, class.
And like tell us how you style them, by the way. What are you wearing them with?
Yeah.
Adidas and shawls and
Yeah.
And
Golas.
tracksuit bottoms. These aren't golas. These are tiger, guys.
Sorry,
Tiger.
all the
Gola
cool
lookers.
girls have them, Shiva. Come on, in New York.
Yeah,
all the girls have them.
Sorry.
All the girls, yeah. Gurmila Magov as well, Fault Ireland, for sponsoring this episode.
Gurmíle mágad.
That's the job now. We'll see you next week, lads.
Okay.
Ta-ra.
Slán.
Slán.